Hello everyone, now this is Asif and welcome back to learn how to speak English. The thing is that now I have a topic how we can maintain discipline. Yes, how we can maintain discipline and what a kind of way we have to just stick on it. Could you explain it? Because you are elder than me, or many of you are just as my age level, but I want to just ask you about it. How you are maintaining your discipline in your daily routine. So could you help me? So please write me know in the comment section. So in this way I can easily understand and also I just trying to implement in my life. So discipline is nothing that. Discipline is also known as the consistency. Yes, consistency. And we have to move a steady way. Don't jungling, don't just trying to put a great effort in a single day, because many of you are just watching a such kind of motivation video, and after watching you still just trying to doing a great hard work in a single day, but after day passed, then your dedication fade up bit by bit. Then after a week or a 2 week, you are doing nothing, you are still wasting your time and you come at the same stage where you started from. Now this is the way of maintaining a discipline or a good habit? No, this is not a way of maintaining a good or a discipline. This is the distraction. You always keep it mind where you came from and what you have to do and what the purpose. This will help you to doing the things in a great way or a grab a such type of success. Yes, great type of success. I'm not saying about that. I'm watching a Sandeep Maheshwari video as a motivational, and after watching I still just trying to give a great effort or doing a great thing, even though my family always look at me and just trying to say, hey buddy, what you are doing, please stop it. If you do in this way, then you might be sick, your health condition might be worse, so you have to be stop it. Then you can do everything, just you face as a examination time. You might be a 12th standard or a college, then full of year you are just wasting. Then when you heard about your examination time before a week, before a month, then you started learning, except from the day one, and you still just trying to progress. Hey buddy, could you help me to find a make a notes, and could you help me to share your project? So in this way I can also try to make a same kind of things and just trying to implement and submit my project in my college, in my school, any kind of things, because I know very well I came from that situation. Many of you just thinking about me, hey Ashif, you are speaking very well or thinking in a good way, and same thing where I am existing. So this is the level of this generation, what they exactly thinking and what they exactly doing, and what the things make him differ than all. Think about it. And this is the video. If you're just trying to watch and implement or learning a English, then you have to speak, then you have to come in front of camera. Without doing like this, you won't be able to speak, brother or a sister or my dear learners. And many of you are just elder than me, because I'm a small person, I'm a small content creator, so I really don't know what the kind of way you are thinking. Just watching me and supporting me help me to boost up my knowledge, and also just trying to make a great content for you, those who stuck or just trying to speak in a well manner. Yes, I know very well my voice is not clear to you, but I have to manage because I don't have a such kind of studio. I'm on the roof now. You can see there are tanks on the roof, and just trying to speak in front of you because sun is about to rise, and so that's why I'm on the roof, and talking with nature also help me to relax and feel more confident. So this is the great thing, to wake up early in the morning and just trying to doing a thing which will help you to be a satisfaction or be a great stressful situation. We don't have to stress, we have to stress for our learning journey, and just start it. Don't think, don't overthink, and just trying to jungling, just you have to calm and doing the things in a consistent way. Just you are making a note or a daily routine. Just as you think about you, you are at the night time, and you are just trying to write a routine. You are writing I have to wake up early at 5 a.m. Then first I have to doing breakfast or such kind of thing which you do, which you like most. Then start reading, then start the things which you are very well, which field you are, then you're still working on it. Then you focus and you stick these habits for every day in a period of time. Then you can see the result will come automatically. You are might be a in a company, you are a such kind of teacher or a student or a housewife. No matter what the way you are, the matter is that how you just give the great effort in your life in a consistency way or not. Because you can consider this is a small type of vlog, or a small type of motivational speech, or a small type of topic. So this is the topic of how we can maintain discipline, how we can stick on it, and how we can't be able to procrastinate every single routine. Because many people just say that I'll start from day after tomorrow. Why don't they start from right now, right here? Always some people just trying to say that yes, I'll be, I'll try to after day after tomorrow, not from yet. So this is the thing, they are just procrastinate. Only listen, just skip this video and doing the same thing which they have been doing for a long period of time. Yes, and that's a kind of approach. They are just stuck and always blame others. He doesn't help me, and always think about it. Don't blame on your father, don't blame on your parents. They haven't helped me. If they help me, then I can be the best version of myself. No, this is your worst, this is the best bad approach for your, for towards your family. The approach is that you are doing a great thing or not. So in this way they can feel satisfied and feel happy. The only person you can make him happy, whether you are your father or a mother, your responsibility to make them feel happy or a satisfaction. Because they, when they see you are speaking very well or doing a great job in your life, they might be more confident and feel proud. My son is doing a great thing and doing a great job in a great company. Yes, many fathers, many parents dreams my son, my daughter would be in a great opportunity, and they are just doing a great effort in their life, and they might be become a successful personalities. How this world is going far. So what a kind of way you are thinking, man. Please let me know in the comment section. So in this way I can also just trying to understand and just trying to observing the things, because this is my second video which is not live, it's a recording. Because why I'm not live? Because the live session might be sometimes the network issue might be distracted. So in that kind of way, when I heard about my live session, sometimes I was feeling very bad because the network issue also cut my voice sometimes, or fumble my videos, just type of blur or stuck a moment of time. So that thing felt me very disappointed. But this is a recorded and you can see every word very crystal and clear. So don't worry about it. So that's why I'm making a recording session. So in this way you can understand and connect me every day. No matter what the way, the matter is that I'll just trying to make video, and in this way you can understand, and also just trying to level up your knowledge or enhance your English speaking skills in the great kind of field. And you will be the person who can maintain a discipline in such kind of way, or doing a great opportunity. So don't fight with others, don't blame on others, accept yourself. Always trying to say that you can do it, and it's your responsibility. And always think where you have been coming from, and what's your ambition, and what the way you can just grab the situation, grab the success story, and only the person you are. If you are not be able to think, just first you think, and just trying to write on the piece of paper. If you written, then see the overview, then after close it your notebook or a pad, then just come in front of mirror and just trying to speak. Hello buddy, I have made a notes and my topic is that, then I have to just talk about it, and in this way I can feel more confident and just trying to level up my knowledge. Yes. So doing like this can help you the best version of yourself, because I'm just making a 15 minutes or a 14 minutes recording video. So in this way you can not be bored, or you might always stay on my video and doing a great progress. So I'll keep this momentum going on, and I really like it, because sometimes I was feeling very disappointed in my earlier life, but right now right here when come in front of camera I am feeling a bit confident with you guys. So don't worry about it, this is the life, and ups and downs we have to face every single moment. The thing is that we have to just manage the things, accept the blaming others, not don't blame on your fathers, brothers, sisters. No, this is the excuses which you are just still making. So accept doing this, you have to doing a great progress and move towards in your journey in a steady or a consistency way. So I hope this video helpful you a little bit. If this helpful, so don't forget to stay connect with us, and always just trying to press like and hit the bell icon, so in this way I can always trying to notify you I am here, and this video will help you to be level up your knowledge. So don't wait, and I'll meet you in my next video. Keep watching, be consistent and be disciplined. Don't blame on others. So goodbye, take care, bye for now.